So welcome to your own channel. In this video I am going to tell you how you can find whether a number is a perfect cube or not. Now you can see here these are the cubes of first 10 numbers. Now the cubes have a very peculiar property that every cube ends, the answer of every cube ends in a different number. So if you have 1 as the last digit, it will always end in 1. So if you will take 1 cube, it is equal to 1. If you will take 11 cube, the last digit of the answer will be 1 only. Similarly, 2 cube will give you 8, 22 cube will also give you the last digit as 8, and so on. Now, as you all know, digital sum is basically adding all the numbers. Here we will find the digital sum of these cubes. So we will see another peculiar thing. You can see the digital sum of this is 1 only, this is 8, this is 9. Now this is digital sum we are getting is by adding these two numbers, 7 and 2 add, it will give you 9. Similarly 6 plus 4 is 10, 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 to 7, 1, 8, 9, 1, 8, 9, 1. Now you can see digital sum of a perfect cube will always be either 1, 8 or 9. This means a perfect cube has a digital sum of 1, 8 or 9. So if you want to find the perfect, whether a number is a perfect cube or not, just find its digital sum. If it is 1, 8 or 9, it can be a perfect cube. Not surely, it can be but it can be a perfect cube. But if you will get any other number, for example 2, 3, 5, 4, it won't be a perfect cube. Now this is a very important property of the cube, perfect cubes. Another important thing. Now if suppose for the numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 means if you are finding the cube of any number that is having these as the last digit, for example if you are finding the cube of 21, 33, 75, 67 or 29, for example, you are finding the cube of these numbers, then you have to check which is the second last digit. So second last digit is 2 in this case. So the answer will also have the second last digit as even. For example, if you are finding the cube of 21, then the second last digit of the answer, the last digit of the answer will be 1 and the second last digit will be an even number. Now if suppose instead of 21 it would have been 31, we would have been finding the cube of 31, then the last digit would be even, the last digit will be 1 and the second last digit will be an odd number, because here it is odd, it will be odd. Similarly, if you are finding it for 75, since the last digit will be 5, the second last digit will be, since it is an odd number, it will be a odd number. 65, last digit 5, second last digit even. So in the case of these 5 numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, if the second last digit is even, the second last digit of answer will also be even. If the second last digit is odd, the second last digit of answer will also be odd. I will give you another example with a bigger number. Suppose you are finding it for 1, 5, 8, 7 cube. Now just check, the second last digit is an even number, so the answer will have the last digit as 3, 7 cube will give you 3 as the last digit and the second last digit will be a even number. Very important property. Second, numbers ending in 2 and 4. So number endings in 2 and 4 will always have the second last digit as even. For example, you take 22 square, the last digit will be 8, and this 22 cube, the second last digit will be an even number. You take 32 cube, the last digit will be 8 and the second last digit will be even number. Irrespective of what we are having here, the second last digit of the numbers ending in 2, the cubes of second last digit numbers, the cubes of number whose last digit end in 2 will always give you the second last digit as an even number, 2 or 4. So similarly, for 114 cube will give you the last digit as 4 and the second last digit as an even number. 134, 124 for example will give you the second last digit as an even number. So till this point I have given you 3 things. Digital sum of a perfect cube is always either 1, 8 or 9. Numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 will give you the second last digit as either even or odd depending on whose cube you are finding. If you are finding the cube of a number whose second last digit is even, it will give you an even number, and if it is a odd number, it will give you an odd number. Similarly, for numbers ending in 2 and 4, then the second last digit of the answer will always be an even number irrespective of the fact the second last digit of the main number whose cube you are finding is even or odd. Now the third thing which I have to find out is this. The third property is for the numbers ending in 6 and 8. So for the numbers, if you are finding the cube of a number which is ending its 6 and 8, for example 16 cube, 18 cube or 26 cube, 188 cube and so on, then the second last digit will always be second last digit of answer will always be an odd number. Right. So these 3 properties, including your digital sum method, you can easily find which are the perfect cubes. Now, another very important thing in this is for numbers ending in 1, 2, 5. So this is basically for those numbers whose cube you are finding and whose cube the last digit of those numbers is either 1, 2 or 5. So let's see, if you have 11 cube, suppose you are finding, then you know that last digit will be 1, the second last digit will be, just multiply the tens place which is 1 here with 3 and you will get your second last digit. So the second last digit of this answer will be 33. If you have 31 cube you are finding, so the last digit will be 1, the second last digit will be, tens digit is 3, multiplied by 3 you will get 9. So the second last digit will be 9. Similarly, if you are finding it for suppose 61, then the last digit will be 1 and the second last digit will be 6 into 3, that is equal to 18. And so you will write only 8 here and this will be your second last digit. Very easy method. For numbers ending in 2, what you have to do is, suppose you have to find the cube of 12. Just multiply these 2 numbers. Now the last digit will be 8, second last digit will be, multiply these 2 numbers, you will get 2. This is your second last digit of the answer. 42 cube, last digit will be 8, second last digit will be 4 into 2, that is 8. 72 cube, last digit 8, second last digit 7 to 14, you will write 4. Another very easy method to find the second last digit, and with the help of this second last digit you can actually find the cubes also, and you can actually find whether the number is a perfect cube or not. Third, for numbers ending in 5, the last digit will be 5 and the second last digit will either be 2 or 7. It will either be 2 or 7 depending on what is what is the digit at tens place. So if you have an odd number here, you will get 7 here. Second last digit is 7. And if you have an even number, the second last digit will be 2. So these three methods will also help you in finding whether a number is a perfect cube or not. I hope you have liked this video. Do write your comments about this video and please subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.